Mga friendship, nako, are you 100% safe and secure? Lahat ng binibili mong cryptocurrency, digital assets, or NFT ay secure? Kung ang sagot mo ay 98%, hindi ka 100% sure, nako, delikado ka. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the importance of hardware wallet para ma-secure ang iyong crypto asset. If you want to learn more, you got to watch this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkee Tan, ang inyong pambansang wealth coach. Nakausapang crypto naman po tayo, pero bago tayong pag-usapan natin yan, syempre I encourage you to don't forget to subscribe on this channel dahil mas marami kayong matutunan. Sa video na ito, pag-usapan po natin anong hardware wallet and then example of the mga hardware wallet. At the same time, saan tayo makakabili ng tinatawag na hardware wallet. Ay, bago tayo mag-umpisa, may mga nagko-comment po sa akin na bakit ko ngayon pinag-uusapan ng cryptocurrency na dating iniiwasan ko po. Yes, I will admit, in the early 2015 or 17, I was trying to avoid this topic. Why? In particular, because ang daming pong mga scams at mga illegal na nagbebenta ng mga tinatawag cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. They disguise themselves as investing in terms of Bitcoin, but actually they're pyramid scams. Kaya ayokong pag-usapan yan. Bakit po? Baka makatkat ang ating video and then after that, ayun nga, gagamitin nila and then they will use yung pinag-usapan. Pero right now po, since mataas na po ang awareness about cryptocurrency, alam na po ng marami, at the same time, accepted na po siya, at alam na natin kung ano pong scams hindi. That's the reason why I'm creating more information and video. Dahil ito po ay request ng karamihan ng tao. And FYI, since I'm gonna talk about this right now, itong hardware wallet na topic na ito, I'm not endorsing any type of crypto or product. This is not a paid ad. This video is only for purposes of education. So, right now, pag-usapan po natin ang hardware wallet. Itong hardware po, hindi po yung nagbebenta ng tornilyo, bakal, at saka mga graba, at saka mga semento. Ang ibig sabihin po ng hardware wallet po ay isang physical wallet. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na cold wallet, no, sa digital currency. Ito po ay nasa online, sa phone, sa cellphone, sa computer. Ang pinaka-accessible talaga ay gamitin po natin yung digital or tinatawag natin ng hot wallet. Pero ang pinaka-secure naman, pinaka-secure, no, na iwas hack po talaga, ay dapat magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag hardware or tinatawag na cold storage po para hindi po ma-hack agad ang ating wallet. Dahil po, pag ninabas po natin yan, parang naka-USB lang siya, naka-offline po siya, hindi siya basta-basta mapapasok ng mga hackers. Ano po yung mga example po ng mga best hard wallet po sa market na matagal na pong ginagamit? At ito po, tinanong ko lahat ng mga gumagamit po ngayon, lalo na yung mga crypto expert, katulad nila ARTIE LOPEZ, sila MARVIN GERMO. Ito, yung mga tinatanong ko po, ano bang ginagamit po nila? Ang ginagamit po nilang brand na nire-recommend po nila sa akin is what we call as Trezor and Ledger. Para siyang mukha siyang flash drive na makikita nyo. Ang kagandahan po nito, you can store different of blockchains assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, at marami pang iba. Hindi lang crypto coins ang pwede nyo ilagay. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng tinatawag na NFTs. Yung mga digital assets yun ng mga images, music, di ba? Lahat pwede nyo ilagay doon. Pero Chinkee, paano mo nyo itatago ang NFT at mga crypto mo dito? Via Bluetooth ba yan? Ay, hindi. Madali lang yan, friendship, no? Iko-connecta mo lang yung hardware wallet mo sa isang computer, but make sure lang na meron tong software wallet ng MetaMask. Pagkatapos dyan, i-open mo lang yung MetaMask mo at hahanapin mo ang Connect hardware wallet. Yan ang parang magiging opening mo. Pero bago pa tayo magpatuloy, o para malaman po natin saan tayo makakabili ng mga hardware wallet na yan, babatiin lang mo natin si Like Creative TV or Lick Creative TV, si Elijah TV, at the same time, si Agustin Castro. Nagpapa-shoutout po sila. Maraming salamat. And last but not the least, where can we buy this hardware wallet na ito? Ang hardware wallet mabibili nyo po hindi po sa mga hardware store, kundi sa online. O ito po yung dalawang URL address na ibibigay ko po sa inyo. Please, ito verified to. https trezor.io, https.ledger.com. So makikita nyo na rin sa link below, no? So, puntahan nyo na lang po sa description. Uy, guys, ingat-ingat lang po. Wag nyo lang po i-google po kasi pag ginoogle nyo po, baka mapunta po kayo sa mga tinatawag na hacking site na yung binibili nyong hardware wallet po ay hindi po pala safe kasi may malware na sa loob. At pag nagamit nyo po yan, nako, delikado. Lahat ng inyong pinaghirapan investment po ay mawawala. You make sure na i-check out nyo na legitimate site po sila, number 1. At kung kayo po ay bibili dito sa Pilipinas, i-check out nyo na rin po ang list of authorized resellers po dito nila sa Pilipinas, pero kukunin nyo ulit sa legitimate site. Kaya mga friendship, ito ba ay para sa mga beginners? No, pag beginners pa kayo, you don't need a hardware wallet. You just need a online digital wallet. So mga friendship, kaya nga para sa mga seryoso na pong investor, if you can invest on thousands or even millions in cryptocurrency and NFT, I highly recommend na magkaroon kayo na tinatawag na hardware wallet because this is super secure. At the same time, at least meron kang peace of mind. Guys, in order for you to know more about cryptocurrency, about how you create your own NFTs, how to really profit from the Metaverse, no, kung gusto nyo pa, timing na timing, we have already an online webinar na tinatawag na Cryptoverse. This will be on April 30 na po. April 30, Saturday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. We have invited experts to really be with us to know more about this event on how you can grow your money through cryptocurrency. Let's watch this video. So I want to invite you to join us in the ultimate cryptocurrency webinar in the Philippines. Ang tawag po namin dito ay Cryptoverse. Mark this on your calendar on April 30, Saturday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. via Facebook group live with 30 days replay. In this exclusive webinar, you will learn the following: cryptocurrency, play-to-earn gains, NFT, and Metaverse. As a matter of fact, dinesign po namin tong webinar to be simple so that everyone can understand. Kahit newbie ka lang, pwede ka na rin ika nga matuto at kumita. So don't miss this opportunity to learn from the experts. Sino yung mga experts na in-invite namin? Number 1, ARTIE Lopez, a crypto coach. He's the founder of BrainSparks and been in the crypto industry since 2015. He will be talking about how to find the best coin na may 10x potential and more, how to gain profit in a down market, how to avoid rug pulls and scams. Number 2, si MARVIN FAVIS, a crypto trader, a play-to-earn influencer. He will teach us on how to choose the right play-to-earn games, how to cash out, how to find existing or new games. Yours truly, I'll be talking about NFT, how to buy, create, sell your own NFT, Metaverse, how to establish wealth in Metaverse, and which Metaverse to invest. And last but not least, si MARVIN GERMO, the CEO of Stock Smart. He will be talking about investment, know when is the best time to get in and out, how to grow your investment portfolio, and how to protect your investment from hacks and scams. So my friends, what are you waiting for? Be at the top 4% sa buong mundo. Sila ang mga natuto na mag-invest sa cryptocurrency. Malay mo, ito nang pinakakahintay nyo na magkaroon kayo ng passive income at mabago ang buhay nyo na dahil sa crypto. So the next question is, how much the investment? This webinar is only at $1,999. Yes, it's $1,999. However, we are offering an early bird discount right now at 1,000 pesos. So we are offering this at a special price or bargain price of only $999. So make sure to grab it while it lasts bago ito mawala. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now in the most in-demand cryptocurrency webinar in the Philippines today. The cryptocurrency industry is just starting to take off. So the future of money is cryptocurrency. Ang question na lang is this: sasama ka ba o magpapaiwan ka? Be informed or be left behind. Remember, not taking action will cost you. Don't miss this learning event kung gusto mong ma-achieve ang financial freedom na pangarap mo. So all you need to do is just click on the link below or on top, or just type the word called crypto. Type the word called crypto in the comment section and I will send you a link so that you'll be able to enroll and register. Guys, sana naman na-enlighten po kayo the importance of having your own hardware wallet or tinatawag na physical wallet sa cryptocurrency or NFTs. If you like this content, please give me a like. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe. This is Chinkee Tan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Thank you for watching. If you want to suggest a topic or review that you would like me to discuss on the next video, please do comment below para mabasa po namin.